Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and I am here today with a guest, and it is my niece, and her name is Lauren, and she is going to be helping us on some crafts. And what are we doing today, Lauren?
Making graduation stuff.
And as you can see, her and I did these two graduation decors. So you want to tell us what's inside?
Candy and pencils with graduation hats.
Okay, and are both of them the same?
No.
Okay, what's in the other one?
Both of them are the same.
Okay, there's the second one.
There's a different pencil.
All right. And Lauren and I are going to be showing you how we put these together, right? So Lauren's going to do one and I'm going to do the next one, and it is like a little process video. All right, you guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below, to like this video, and to subscribe so that my niece Lauren can keep coming to my videos, right? For next time. All right, bye everyone.
Bye.
All right, Lauren, so what are we making today?
Graduation stuff.
Graduation stuff. And what are the supplies we're going to use? Show me.
Scissors, pencils, candy, and graduation stickers.
Awesome. And what else? What's this?
Paper.
Paper. What color of paper?
Blue and pink.
And how many are we making?
2.
2. All right, so let's get started. So the first step is to cut your paper kind of like in a ziggly line, but we don't have a pencil, so Lauren is going to cut it out freehand, right? So we're gonna see how Lauren cuts it out, and then I will follow her. Okay, so we're done cutting. Now, what are you gonna do?
Now we're gonna roll it.
Okay.
And put it in a glass. It's gonna be like that.
Perfect.
I'm getting the graduation stickers, and you put it right next to the eraser. Then you put it.
Turn it over so that we can see how you're doing it.
You see? So put it right, if you see it right there. Then we get candy, then we put it in here.
And done. So I'm going to stick this sticker to the top of this pencil, just like that. I'm gonna put this inside, and then I'm going to add all of the candy inside.
You can show what candy you did?
Oh.
There you go.
Okay.